His story is one of the most powerful stories in the Bible. Job was a man whom God loved so deeply that he even bragged about him to Lucifer, saying, "There is no one on earth like him. He is blameless and upright, a man who fears God and shuns evil." Job was wonderfully blessed. He had wealth, a large family, and a life filled with peace. He was protected by God in ways he didn't even fully understand. Yet, despite all these blessings, Job once said, "What I fear most has befallen me." He didn't know the full extent of God's protection, but his life would soon reveal how faith shines brightest in darkness. Suddenly, everything changed. Job lost his children, his wealth, and his home. He was struck with mysterious ailments that caused him immense pain. Yet, through all this suffering, his faith in God did not waver. Even when his wife told him to curse God and his friends questioned his integrity, Job remained steadfast. He understood that trusting God in pain is not about having all the answers. It is about holding firm to God's character, even when life seems unfair. Through every trial, Job demonstrated incredible faith. He mourned, he questioned, yet he never abandoned trust in God. His patience, humility, and unwavering devotion showed that true faith does not depend on comfort. It shines brightest in the storm. In the end, God restored Job. He gave him double of everything he had lost. His family, wealth, and health were renewed. But more than that, Job's story reminds us of a deeper lesson. God's love never fails, and trusting him at all times, even in pain, leads to ultimate restoration and blessing. The lesson from Job is clear. Suffering may test us, yet faith during trials refines us. Trusting God in pain is not passive, it is powerful. No matter what you face, hold fast to your faith, for God's plan is perfect, and his timing is flawless. 3 lessons learned from this Bible story of Job. Lesson number 1, faith remains strong even in suffering. True faith is not just for the good times, it's tested and strengthened in adversity. Lesson number 2, patience and perseverance are key. Life's toughest seasons are often where growth and resilience are forged. Lesson number 3, trust God's wisdom even when you don't understand. We may not understand our circumstances, but trusting God's plan brings peace and restoration. If this story moved your heart, hit like and share it with someone who needs hope today. Don't miss out. Subscribe to Viral Bible Stories for daily life-changing stories that will strengthen your faith and inspire your soul.